For this video, we're going to look at Jingle Bell Rock for ukulele. The end result could be something like this.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And we're going to teach you the rhythm pattern, the strumming pattern, the chords, everything. You'll also find there's a PDF attached to this particular WhatsApp that you're receiving. If you need a copy of it, just please don't hesitate. So if you need a copy of the PDF, just WhatsApp me or inbox me by my channel. Anyway, here we get going with the song. We're first going to look at the strumming pattern and then we'll teach you the melody. But let's first go through the chords. Now your opening chord is a D. The diagram for the chords are on the PDF as well. And D has got all three fingers straight in a row like that. All in fret number 2, fret number 2, fret number 2. And D should sound like that. Now remember in class we said that we'd like to swap around fingers 1 and 2. So we're going to change D to something less common. But there was a reason for this. If you do your D like this with finger 3 at the bottom, 1 in the middle, 2 at the top, when you go to D major 7, all you do is slide that first finger to the first fret. So your transition now is going to go like this. As simple as that. For the D6, you just take your first finger, put it flat across all 4 strings. Nice and easy, then jump back to D. Also very important on the strumming pattern as well, you'll notice that most of the chords share a bar. So you're counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like that. And on the strumming pattern, I just want to quickly go there before we go any further. You can use a pick if you want, but I prefer strumming with my fingers on ukulele because the ukulele is quite bright as it is, and I find a pick makes it a little bit too loud or almost a bit too bright. But on the strumming, down, down, up would be your count of 1 and 2 and to do a full bar, you're simply doing this twice. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now as I just mentioned as well, most of the bars have got 2 chords in a bar. So if you bring your fretting hand back into the picture, we should be able to see the hands changing over here as well as the strumming hand. So let's go the first 2 bars, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The third bar just goes the full 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then E minor. I'm hoping you remember this one, finger 1, 2 and 3 on strings 1, 2 and 3 as well in frets 2, 3 and 4. And E minor is going to change to an A7, which is a really easy chord. It's simply finger 1, fret 1 on the 3rd string from the bottom. Remember, we always count 1, 2, 3 from the bottom. So your 4th bar is going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Simple as that. Now you're going to do this E minor to A7 twice again if you look at the second line. So effectively E minor A7 3 times, 1 to finish off the top line and twice to begin the next. Then a normal A means you simply bring the first finger on, the second finger onto the 2nd fret and you've got your A chord for a full bar. And then no surprise, E minor to A7 again. So if you were to play the first 2 lines, we'd have something like this. Get your D in place, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Second line, A. Now the third line, if you compare the chords to the first line, would be exactly the same. Even the tune, even that's identical there. So we're going to jump across to the last line, which is going to go E minor to A7. We're familiar with this twice. 3rd time and then into D. So it's and you're finish the song off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play the chords through as on the sheet, but I'm going to do it nice and slow so that you can try practice strumming along with me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and second line. Third line. Last line. And then you've got the whole piece. So practice along, strumming along with me, and then in the second video I'm going to take you through just to get you primed for the tune as well. Remember, for the concert on the 6th of December, our priority is the strumming, so please get it right. And mums, please, if they've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I'll be more than happy to help. And we'll organize a lesson for towards the end of this week as well. Take care.